Here I've got V-Mobile S39 and let me show you how to allow unknown sources on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and select security, which is under personal, and now go to the bottom of the list, more or less over here. Under device administration, you will find unknown sources. If you truly want to allow installation of apps from unknown sources, simply tap on this switcher. Now confirm that if anything will attack your device, the risk is all on you, so the carrier will not take the blame, and then it's on. Now you can install some applications from sources other than your App Store. Then if you would like to switch it off, simply click on the same switcher, and now unknown sources will be blocked. So that's it. This is how you can allow unknown sources in your device, in your V-Mobile. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.